So for this pattern I'm using a medium worsted yarn in blue jean color and 6.5mm crochet hook. For all the details of the pattern, please look at the written pattern which is linked in the description box to see about the sizes, how many yarn ball I used, and all the details needed to achieve this pattern. So we'll start with the slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 4. I'm gonna make 6 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. I'll tighten. Next round I'm gonna chain 2. I'm gonna make 2 double crochet in every stitch. So we get 12 stitches. Next round I'm gonna chain 2. So from this row until the end of my work, I'm gonna start decreasing the 2 double crochet in every stitch, which means for this round, for example, I'm gonna start with 2 double crochet in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and I will repeat 2 1 2 1. In the next round I'm gonna start with 2 double crochet in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and repeat the following row, 2 double crochet in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and onwards. You'll increase the single double crochet in one stitch and decrease the 2 double crochet in one stitch. For you to understand, just follow the written pattern, which is detailed. So here I started 2 double crochet in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and repeat 2 1 2 1. And that's the only thing you need to know about this pattern until you reach the width required of the shawl, which is very easy and straightforward. You can use single crochet or half double crochet to achieve this pattern as well. And we finish with only 1 double crochet. In the next round, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the first stitch, and like I previously explained, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So we increased the single double crochet by 1, and that's what you're gonna do in every round. Increase the single double crochet by 1. Single double crochet means only 1 double crochet in a stitch. So I'll finish the number of rounds and then I'll come back to show you the end result. So this is the final look of the half circle double crochet shawl, and this is how it looks like. I have added the gray color, but the gray is optional. So total of rounds I did was 47. You can add more if you want it bigger, or you can do less if you want it smaller. And it is as easy as I showed you in the beginning of the tutorial. So all the details of the number of yarn I used, the crochet hook, the size and everything else will be in the written pattern linked in the description box. And if you have any questions, as always, please leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.